Hi, my name's Nicola Turner and I teach on electrical installation at Blackburn College. On this course you will learn all about preparing, installing and connecting electrical installations, as well as all the different cable types and inspection and testing. You'll get the opportunity to go out onto site, carry out your work placement, see what the job is like, build lots of installations in the workshop and use all different kind of materials. You'll be able to access 3 purpose-built workshops with all the latest tools and equipment. One's especially for carrying out testing and inspecting of installations, and a fantastic assessment workshop. Students go on to become an electrician's mate, which is working with an electrician at a higher rate of pay than a labourer. Alternatively, students go on to level 3, or students can go onto the apprenticeship programme, and those students, once completed the apprenticeship programme, work either for large electrical companies or set up their own businesses as a qualified electrician. One of our recent students, Rob, completed level 2 electrical, level 3 the apprenticeship programme, and is now working as a qualified electrician with SN Electrical. We look forward to meeting you on electrical installation here at Blackburn College.